Understanding the phrase, forever thankful. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the heartfelt phrase, forever thankful. This phrase is rich in emotion and is used in various contexts to express deep gratitude. Join us as we unfold the layers of this phrase, understand its usage, and learn how to incorporate it into our daily language. Forever thankful combines two powerful words, forever and thankful. Forever implies a limitless, unending duration, signifying that the feeling of gratitude is not temporary but is intended to last indefinitely. Thankful denotes a feeling of appreciation or gratitude towards someone or something. When combined, forever thankful becomes a profound expression of enduring gratitude. Forever thankful is often used in scenarios where the speaker wishes to acknowledge a significant act, kindness, or impact someone has made in their life. It can be used 1. In personal letters or messages, I am forever thankful for your support during tough times. 2. During speeches or formal acknowledgements, we are forever thankful to the community for their continuous support. 3. In dedications or tributes, this book is dedicated to my parents, to whom I am forever thankful. It's a phrase that adds weight and depth to your expression of gratitude, making the receiver feel truly valued and appreciated. While forever thankful is a beautiful expression, it's essential to use it in appropriate contexts to maintain its significance. Overuse or use in casual, everyday scenarios might dilute its profound meaning. Additionally, understanding cultural nuances is important as expressions of gratitude can vary significantly across different cultures. Forever thankful is more than just a phrase, it's a profound expression of enduring gratitude. It's a way to communicate deep appreciation that extends beyond the present moment, resonating with a timeless and heartfelt thank you. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use forever thankful in your communication, making your expressions of gratitude even more meaningful and impactful. Thank you for joining us, and we are forever thankful for your interest and eagerness to learn.